Hello everyone, I am Selva Shanti, Assistant Professor in Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. Here we will discuss about interfaces and example programs for interfaces, how multiple inheritance will be implemented using interfaces. What is interface? Interface is nothing but a collection of abstract methods that defines some contract which implementing classes must follow. Interface just specify what a class must do. A class uses the implements keyword to provide code for all methods declared in the interface. Rules of interface. All methods on interface are public or abstract. Variables in an interface are always public, static, final. Final means is nothing but constants. A class uses implements keyword to use an interface. A class can implement multiple interfaces also. Interfaces themselves can extend other interfaces also. Types of methods in interfaces. Before developing Java 8, only abstract methods only derived. After developing Java 8, default methods and static methods also defined in the interfaces. After developing Java 9, private methods also derived in the interfaces to avoid code conflict. Example program for interfaces. Here animal is an interface that having two abstract methods, sound and eat. This abstract method is defined in the subclasses. So class dog implements animals. If we inherits the properties of another one class, means we use extend keywords. If we use the properties of interface, means we use the keyword implements. So dog implements the properties of animal interface. So the sound and eat abstract method sound and eat to be defined in this dog class. So cat is also another derived class. Here also sound and eat method is overridden here. How here also sound and eat method is overridden. According to this class, the method will be executed. So during object creation, A1 is equal to new doc of. So A1 is an object of doc. So during this object creation, the method defined in the class doc will be executed. If we use the object A2, using the A2 object, we call this sound and eat method, means the method defined in the cat class will be executed. If we use the object A3, means the method defined in the how class will be executed. So the output will be look like this. So both interfaces define the same default method. In interface A and interface B, we define two same methods, means how can we access that. In interface A, we define the method show like a println statement default show from A. In interface B also, we redefined the show method that displays the default show from B. So my class implements the properties of A and B. So here some overridden is occurred. Public void show. Here overridden show in my class. A dot super dot show means A's interface A's show method will be executed. B dot super dot show means the method defined in the B interface will be executed. So during object creations, the show method will be executed. The show method defined in the derived class will be executed. During the derived class, using that super keyword, the method defined in the A interface and the method B defined in the B interface will be executed. So this is the output for this program. So next one is how multiple inheritance will be invoked using multiple inheritance will be invoked using this interfaces. So A and B is on two interfaces. My class implements A and B. So here no conflict since static methods are not inherited. So here two methods are static. So static methods not be inherited. So no conflict arises. A dot show means automatically method defined in the A interface will be executed. B dot show means method derived in the B method will method derived in the B class will be executed. Static methods is not inherited. That cannot be overwritten in the implementation classes. The static method cannot be overwritten in the implementing classes. So no conflict arises. So comparison between abstract class and interfaces. Abstract classes uses the keyword abstract, interface here using interface. Abstract class and have abstract plus concrete methods. In interface we have abstract, default and static methods also supported by interface. Abstract class an instance variable, but interface is an all variables, public, static, final. Abstract class have constructors, but interfaces cannot have constructors. Abstract classes access specifiers can be public, protected and private. Interfaces should be public or by default. Inheritance here extends only one abstract class only, but in interfaces we can implement more than one interfaces also. When classes share a common base with some default behavior in abstract classes. In interfaces, when we need to define a contract for multiple interrelated classes will be used. Vehicle example, vehicle is an abstract class, means abstract class with start and stop methods. If it is an interface, means drivable, flyable, swimmable interfaces is implemented by the different classes. Thank you.